All right. This is after hours market. On the intraday low count, I want to go through and I'm going to expand this because you can see the names that are in here related to a lot of sectors. Salesforce was on here, lots of shorts, lots of stuff in the oil patch, lots of stuff in the energy patch, lots of stuff in the gold patch. A lot of these symbols come from their overbought stock like VMware that was up at $97. The overbought list that SMF has, Diamond Offshore, Devon Energy, Cummings, that was a great earnings report. It just got too overbought. And all of these reflect our Las Vegas Sands, down big. That was Oxy, OXY, all Hess, HES. I can go on and on here, folks. Novartis, Schlumberger, all of these crowded trades in this market. That's Potash in the ags. A lot of these things that are dropping are the ones that were the most crowded. We had the biggest drop in the SLV since 1980 on an intraday level. And you got to take a look at all of these names. This was the intraday low count, MMTs. So that means that when these things do come off their overbought levels in this leadership list right here, is they will be buyable again after they come down. Mosaic, Deere, all of your great names. EOG, I can go on and on. Because of the overbought list, there is a correction that needed to correct. And it's when we said there was a correction around the corner, we weren't joking. And it is a correction. Because the irrational exuberance in these prices, and notice that after a lot of the earnings are out and a lot of the news is out, you're seeing the biggest haircut in these names. ConocoPhillips is on the list as well. CMG, down again big. WLT, all of these names that have been bought up and bid up to the mid-year point, which is June, but you know, here that we're in May 3rd today, and it's 2011 at 2:19 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. This is where this haircut has taken place. This is the low count, and the low count happens to be out of the sectors that were the here, ags, oil, all kinds of them here. They were all crowded. Commodity-related type names, you name it. But they're all buyable at here, ABX. Look at here. Potash got a haircut today. They all got haircuts. Okay? So one of the things that we're going to be doing is we have to go through the list. Period. Because there's no other way. That's on the New York Stock Exchange where a lot of program selling happens. What I will be talking about is I'm going to go through some other sectors, indices, the energy, resource materials, gold and silver, Morgan Stanley commodity, Amex oil, Deutsche Bank energy, Morgan Stanley oil services, all of this whole area here of where a lot of these stocks were bid up, and that's part of this big down list.